how's everyone doing? That's like a thing for me. I don't know. Hey everyone, how are you guys doing? Anyway, today's video is going to be about how I do laundry from my tiny house, especially now since I don't use my washer dryer combo. It's kind of a different system doing it at the campground. I don't have the space to do it if I'm doing it here, but I could fold it in the campground, and I'm going to show you how I do the bed also. So take off all the stuff off my bed because I got to clean those too, and you're going to find out how it is to change a bed inside a loft, inside a tiny house, because it's not easy. Let me take you upstairs and show you how that is done. Okay, this is pretty much what my bed looks like every day. It's basically a mess. Romeo is always on the bed, and he always gets this entire area right here all filled with hair. If I don't want to do my sheets as often because it's hard to change it in a loft in a tiny house, use the lint roller, and that is what I use to get all the hair off and get it clean for me because I'm sleeping there all the time. Take you over there. It gets pretty hairy. I actually just did a round of tape. Hi, Roms. What are you doing? What are you doing? There is my big bag of laundry that I'm going to be doing. I don't really have any room to put any of those clothes except for in my cabinets when I get done. What I've been doing is basically putting them on the edges of these and just hanging them down. Alright, I'm going to show you how I do my bed now. So I just started doing these YouTube videos, and I just have a cell phone where I use that thing that you hold in between your fingers. That's the only thing I have to prop the phone up with. So now I have the phone propped up inside the window shears. It's like I had to put the rod down, and then I like stuffed it in between the window and the rod, so it's holding it. I'm going to invest in a tripod soon so that it makes it easier for me to do these videos. So I'm going to show you how to do the bed. This angle, it seems like you can see it pretty well, so I'm going to start. Roms, you're going to have to get off there. This is going to be hard. I don't even know how to do this. I've never done this from my house yet. One of my friends gave me a suggestion on how to fill these fit beds, and I'm going to show you how to do that when it gets done. I'm going to do this duvet cover because Romeo is still laying on this bed. If when I come back the bed is filled with hair, I'll use the sticky tape thing to get the hair off. There's just not enough room to work in this little area. Guess this is one reason why I don't do this all the time. It might even be easier for me just to do a comforter. The reason I didn't do that in the first place was because I thought that the comforter was going to be too big for my washer dryer combo. I opted for duvet covers so that I could just take off the duvet cover and wash it. I don't know if it's going to work though. We'll see. We'll figure it out. We got the duvet cover off, and now we're going to get the sheet completely off, and then we're going to go do some laundry. So now that I got the sheet off and the duvet off, when I come back I'm gonna probably do the tape thing on all of this because I don't know if you could see it, but it's like dirty. Alright, let's do it. This is the mess that we have left until we can get that back on. I'm going to work on taping all of that cat hair off, and you know, anything like that. There's like little pieces of just random dirt that gets on it from either the cats or clothes or myself or whatever. Gotta clean those off before we put the clean stuff on. Rocky, you gonna come help me do laundry? Before I moved into my tiny house, I had already decided that I was going to use earth-friendly detergents and soaps. When I got rid of the water reclamation system, I realized that I no longer needed the earth-friendly detergents and soaps, but I'm still going to be using them anyway. We're going to make the long trek to the laundry room. Big old bag. But I gotta get changed first, so I'm gonna drop this laundry in the laundry room. And then I'm gonna go to the vending area and get some change. It's $1.75 to wash and $1.75 to dry. Oh my God, this is heavy. I wish my golf cart was working. Okay. Welcome to the 4-star campground laundry room. We're making another trip with another bag of laundry because, again, my golf cart isn't working, so I have to make trip after trip. See my golf cart and it doesn't work. I'm supposed to be getting it fixed, but that would have been easy to put both of my loads of laundry on there and just to take it up to the office. But I couldn't do that, so we gotta just deal with it. Now as I walk back upstairs, let's see if Rome's is on the bed. Where's Rome's? Oh, he's not here, so we're going to tape off the bed, tape off all the dirt and hair off the bed, and get ready for when the laundry gets done. Trusty lint roller. One more should be about good. One of the problems of having a duvet cover with cats is they throw up this big stain right here. I'm gonna have to wash this at some other point, but that's what happens when you have a duvet. It goes through the duvet cover and onto your comforter. So we're gonna have to wash that, and since we are no longer using the washer dryer combo, we can do that in the campground laundry. I am back in the laundry room and I'm going to put the wet clothes in the dryer, 2 loads, and then we'll probably wait about half an hour to 45 minutes before they get done. I don't know if I'm going to fold them in here or not. It might be easier to fold them in here so that I have room on the bed to put my sheets on there when I get back. So I think I'll fold them in here and then just put them away when I get home. And now we wait. We're just waiting for the laundry to get done. And I'm probably gonna have to do some more lint rolling because Romeo has been laying there and everywhere. Rome's. Alright, I'm going to fold the clothes here because there's not really any room on my bed. I've not done this yet here. I've usually taken it to my house, but the reason I didn't take it to my house this time was because my whole bed is getting ready to be made up again, so I didn't want to take all of the space. This is the pile that I'm going to refold, but I'm going to go into the other dryer and get my sheets, and then fold those and then bring them back. And this fitted sheet is just not cool. We're going to put the undergarments in here. It's just kind of really inconvenient to do laundry not in your house. Alright, Alright guys, I am going to turn off the camera and walk back to my house, and I'll see you in my bedroom. Okay, that did not go as planned. I had to stuff everything in this bag. I'm gonna have to straighten everything up, but again, I only have so much space to work with. I'm going to do a video on the 10 worst things that I hate about my house, and doing laundry and making my bed is going to be one of them. Stay tuned for that. Here's our sheet that we're going to use. If anybody knows how to put these in this little hole, let me know, because I have a hard time with these, so I often get frustrated having to put these back in. One shirt, all of that for one shirt. Shirt number 2 done. I'm going to put these things away, and then we're going to make the bed. Okay, we're going to put away some shirts, some underwear and bras.
Right, Rocky? Who's the sweetest cat?
All right, we're going to put these shorts down here. And once I get rid of my washer dryer combo downstairs, I'm going to move this closet downstairs in that area and hopefully close it off so that I could have all this area back. And then downstairs by the washer dryer combo, that's where all these clothes will conveniently be, and then maybe I can get dressed downstairs rather than having all my clothes up here and getting dressed up here. So that's where I left all of this stuff until I was able to clear off my bed. I'm going to drop my hoodie right there, and then I have my towels and stuff that I'm going to put here. Alright, I just came back upstairs and brought the bed sheets and the duvet and the pillowcases, and I'm going to put them here right now so that I could put the sheet on, and then I'll put the pillowcases on. He's going to have to move because it's going to be hard to do this with him there. I'm going to put this over here. Rome's over here, over here, over here, over here. Come on, come on. Come on. I'll put the pillowcases on, put the pillows over here, then do the duvet. Don't go back there. Come on.
Don't you fuss! Don't!
Now that we've finished that, we have a clean bed, and I am going to do the duvet on the duvet cover. So, a friend taught me how to do it, and I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it. Here's what I was taught. So what you want to do is fold this into threes, or into thirds, set it in the middle. Then I'm going to pull the duvet cover out. Alright, I'm going to do this a different way. This is the end. I'm going to fold this up like this. And I put this down like this. Now the opening is over here, and I thought the opening was going to be right here. I'm going to come over here and put this. Just open it slightly, take this. And put it in like this. It's hot in there. Jeez. It's not one of my favorite things to do in a tiny house. I am exhausted. So you can see the bed is done. The duvet cover is not perfect on the duvet. I can't seem to fit this stuff in here somehow. I'm gonna need to figure out a different way to do this. It was hard. I think it's just hard doing your laundry in a tiny house, especially if you use your loft to fold your clothes in, you know? Maybe consider a reverse loft where your bedroom's on the bottom, where you can have standing room and then you can use your bed, or you could even walk around it. I'm on my knees up in here. I can't go around the bed. So that was how I do laundry in my tiny house. I use the campground laundry room, and then I bring the stuff back here and I do the stuff upstairs. People have suggested that I could do it downstairs, but to me that's a little bit more work as well. I'm bringing it downstairs, upstairs, but maybe I'll give it a try to see if it was easier than that. I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell if you want my posts regularly, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, there goes the phone. I definitely need a tripod.